Avast, ye landlubbers! Sit down and beware and listen to the story of Mr. U and his ship My Tongue and learn how to sail the seas properly. Let us begin.
I am the captain of the ship My Tongue, Mr. U. When My Tongue is out on the sea, it is powerful when the wind is strong. You can see it is tough to sail, and My Tongue can sail in the wrong way, but if I turn the rudder, we'll sail through without getting off course. I told Mr. Gossip to be careful, but the strong wind blew him off My Tongue, but he caught a rope and hung on and escaped when lost, and was saved, as was Mr. Lying, who helped split the sails catching wind. I'm Mr. Gossip. It's my job to tell Mr. U and the crew what's happening on the sea. I stand in the crow's nest on top of the mast where I can see everything, even what is happening on the deck below. Like Mr. Lying, I take a lot of chances, and if I'm not careful telling Mr. U and the crew what I see, we can get into trouble or get hurt or killed. We could crash My Tongue into icebergs and reefs. When we are near land, I can look for lighthouses because their bright light warn us of the shore and the rocks nearby. I'm Mr. Backbite. It's my job to turn the sails in and out of the wind. This controls how much the power My Tongue has from the wind. One wrong turn from the mast and sails could hurt the crew and sink My Tongue into the sea. Hello, I'm Mr. Lying. It's my job to keep the sails working to catch the wind. I repair the holes and the tears in the sail. I tie them up when we drop anchor and repair the ropes in the masts. If the sails or ropes are bad, then My Tongue will stray off course and we will never reach where we set out to go. I work hard on the ship and take risks, sometimes in a storm. I get blown off the mast, but I have a rope called salvation to keep me and Mr. Gossip alive in a sudden storm. I'm Mr. Power. It's my job to raise and lower the sails on My Tongue. I control when My Tongue stops and goes. If I don't control My Tongue's power, My Tongue will keep going until it crashes. When that happens, people get hurt. They call me Mr. Spirit. It's my job to navigate the ship. I read maps and compasses and help Mr. U make decisions. If he doesn't take my advice, he could steer My Tongue off course and into danger.